Vanakkam, morning, namaste. I'm very happy to be here today morning to announce the shoulder clinic inauguration at Apollo Hospitals. As we gathered here to create awareness to the public, I must thank and welcome our friends from press for being part of this launch of service. And I also would like to welcome our CEO, Mr. Shivakumar, who has been constant support to all of us to start these new services, new clinics. And I'm also very happy to welcome and introduce our orthopedic joint specialist surgeon, Dr. Sivaraman. And also I would like to thank Ms. Suganti for organizing this event today. And also the patient and patient family gathered here. I welcome all of you. As we know that Apollo has been always wanted to introduce new technology to the benefit of our patients, not just in Chennai, but in our country, not only in our country, the countries around India. And our hospital, internationally renowned hospital, our endeavor is to bring international standard of healthcare to reach of every individual. That is the mission of our chairman. True to his aspiration and mission, we always continue to strive on that and introduce new clinical subspecialty services. One such service is the one-stop shoulder clinic. Of course, there are evolution in all medical field, especially in orthopedics. We have multiple subspecialties. One such is the shoulder. We know that over last few decades and recent past, the shoulder problem has become a very common problem because of mobility of an individual. We all travel a lot. Our lifestyle has changed. We also travel, and there is also sedentary lifestyle. And there is also the longevity of an individual. Life expectancy goes up, so some degenerative changes happens in the shoulder. So multiple reasons for shoulder disease. And of course, other comorbidity condition like diabetes also add up the stress to the shoulder. So it is very important that we have a specialized clinic run by specialized specialist who has been trained and who has all the knowledge, skills to look after shoulder problem. We are very pleased to have Dr. Sivaraman among us as our clinical lead for shoulder clinic. And I'm very happy to introduce Dr. Sivaraman. Dr. Sivaraman is a fellow trained shoulder and elbow surgeon who has extensive experience in the management of shoulder, elbow problem. In India and UK, he worked as a shoulder elbow consultant in Doncaster and Beslow Teaching Hospital in NHS Foundation Trust in UK. Within 13 years of experience at National Health Services in UK, Dr. Sivaraman has proved to be an expert in shoulder elbow complex trauma surgery, delivering high quality care through evidence-based practice. His practice involves all aspects of shoulder and elbow care like hydrodilation, arthroscopy, joint replacement, and complex trauma surgeries. He was practicing at One Stop Shoulder Clinic in UK very successfully, and ever since he joined us at Apollo a few years back, we have worked towards this One Stop Shoulder Clinic, and today we are happy to introduce that clinic to the public and public awareness so that those patients requiring shoulder care can get this service at Apollo Hospital. And as I said, this clinic is going to be something special to those patients who has not got the cure elsewhere, be able to get here because we use the latest technology. And many of those diagnoses, we call it one-stop clinic because you need not run around for a different thing and for a different requirement. So anything related to shoulder, we will take care in that clinic. And many of those diagnoses done in the clinic, and treatment also provided. So many of those procedures also is a daycare procedure. So patients stay in the hospital will be very minimal. And we also have a continuous follow-up after the procedure. And many of those shoulder issue may not require any intervention also. So the correct diagnosis will help that which patient will require intervention, which patient will require minor intervention, which patient will require moderate and extensive intervention. So we have a scope of treating all these shoulder and elbow related problem. So I'm sure that this will benefit many patients in Chennai and in our country. Once again, I welcome all of you for this press conference. With that, I would like to now invite Dr. Sivaraman for his presentation. Thank you.